Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first let's unroll the settings, then find and select System and Update, and here you'll have Backup and Reset. Click to unroll, mark Reset Phone, and now select Reset All Settings. So this one will reset all your settings, including those for network. Enter a PIN code to confirm that you truly want to do it. Click on Reset. Again, just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you need to be 100% sure that you truly want to go back to default values. And basically, that's it. So just give it a couple of seconds to reboot and use it in a normal way. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.